Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is the day I am working in my holiday binder with $50 in prop money. So let's get started. I think we are back here with an IOU. Womp the womp. All right, we have $1 IOU for birthday. Let's put this somewhere. Let's pay that off. And put $1 in here. Perfect. And let's get started with the beginning. Thank you everyone for wishing me well. I feel a lot better. Definitely needed some rest. And I feel wonderful. All right, so this is saving for Thanksgiving. It says $45. Created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And I think I'm going to finish this one today. So Thanksgiving, I believe, will be fully funded. So let's go here. See, that's 7 and 5. So what is that? 13? Where's my... Oh. Or 12. That's 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, $12. $12. Yes, I had to use my fingers. So $12 will complete this one. 10, 11, and 12. Let's see. We got our 45. Already got 20, 30, 42, 43, 44, 45. Yes, $45. So, high yield savings. Ew, that's a little wonky. Plus 45. So, see, 205 plus the 45 would give us the 250. And that was my goal. So Thanksgiving is fully funded. That is so exciting. I'm going to put this back in there so I won't forget. Yes, I'm happy about that. One holiday down. All right, let's go to Black Friday. And let's work on this side. This is created by Budgeting by Dina US. So let's see. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to complete this side. I'll just go here. So that is a 6. Perfect. And I think I'm just going to do this side today. Just one side, I think. So $6. 5 and 6. And her challenges are double-sided. So this side is 45 and this side is 75. All right, next is Christmas. And Christmas is, this book is created by Cajangirlcreates. And I have finished 1, 2, 3 pages. I think I'm on my 4th page. Yes, because we finished this page last week. So we on this page for $78. I was kind of thinking I wanted to finish a bigger amount. This one is 90. Or should I just go in order? We'll just go in order. All right. 3, 1, 2, 3. $1. Let's do another one. Now, I believe the amounts are 1 through 9. Yeah, 1 through 9. So it's really budget friendly. 1 again. So let's go here. And that is a 9. So $10 going in here. That's perfect. $10. Mr. Santa. All right. We got to New Year. And New Year is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says 50. And we got 1. So let's go here. And that is a 2. I'm fine with 2. Because New Year's is a little away. So $2. All right, so we got Valentine's Day. And this is created by Budget with Carly, say 65. We got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is a 7. $7, 5, 6, 7. We're not doing too bad. And we have Easter. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget, says 55. We got 1. Let's go here. And we got a 4. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. Okay. So 4. Back to birthday. All right. This is created by Snow Gardener 307. And we have 1 left on this side. This side is $75. Ooh, we got a 6. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, $2 left. So this side is completed. But I'm also doing this side too. So let's see how much we got so far in birthday. We got 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 110. All right. That is perfect. And $2 left. Hoo. I think I own to play it safe. We are just going to put that in my buffer here. And this buffer is for anything for the holidays, as far as decorations or decor or anything that wasn't budgeted for. So I have a buffer for that. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. It's a roll and save, but like I said, I am using this as a buffer. So what is that? $2. So let's go ahead and put that in here. Yay, no IOU. We did that. All right, so we did finish Thanksgiving. So I would take that out and we just be knocking off these holidays one by one. All right, gems, that is all I have. Thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.